Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial in Roblox. Today we're gonna make something cool. We're gonna make a neon sign. This one will be a two-part series. I guess let's just jump in. First thing we'll need to do to get started is open up our Explorer and Properties. So you guys can click on Explorer and Properties. There you go. Next thing we'll need to do is we'll need to add a part. And the way we'll do this is we'll go home, part, block. You can use these move tools to move it closer to us. There you go. I'm just gonna rotate it a little bit as well, so we'll go in the same place. Rotate, click right here. There you go. I think a bit more. There you go. Now we'll just move it higher so that we can see this. Nice. Okay, so I've saved all the sizes in my file here, and we're gonna do a bit of editing. So we'll start with this one, size first. You can, sorry, let me just hide that. You can go ahead and click here. So the first size would be 8, 4, and 1. There you go. We'll change the color of this one as well. The color would be black. Oh yeah, there you go. Black. Okay, and then we'll rename this one to Blackboard. Blackboard. Perfect. Now we'll do something else. We'll duplicate this part. We'll move it out slightly so that we can see the separation, and we're gonna change the size on this one as well. The size would be this one. So properties, size, nice. There you go. Here's our size: 7.75, 3.75, and 0.25. Now we'll do another duplication, so that we can create a hole. You guys will see what I mean. Properties, we don't need to move this one out. I'll go into my notes again. I'll copy this. Okay, paste it in here. Sometimes it does that, that's okay. Nice. And then what I'm gonna do, I forgot to do that earlier. I'm gonna change the color of these as well. So this color would be neon green, lime green, and do that earlier before you duplicate this. This is my bad, I forgot. There you go. So now what we're gonna do is you guys can hold shift button and select two parts. So that would be these two parts. Next thing we'll do is we're gonna combine them. Click on, no, one of them would be negative, which is going to be this smaller part. This one, gonna make this one negative, negate, and then we're gonna hold shift. We're gonna hold shift, and then we're gonna select these two parts, and we're gonna click on union, and there you go. You have your frame. So now you can just move it back a little bit. Too much. There you go. And then just rename this one to border. Nice. So I'm gonna use my arrow keys to move the screen around. Here's what we got so far, guys. Good job. That's the end of this tutorial part 1. I'll see you in the next part.